So start with the simplest things. First of all, start with what you have and then start with the simplest thing. Okay. So when I want to start my YouTube channel as well, I went to the market where they sell phones, gadgets, and all of that in Nigeria. If you're from Nigeria, you'll be familiar or conversant with the name Computer Village. So I went with my money to buy a camera to start my YouTube channel. But I ended up buying this phone that I use now because why? When I got to the market, I heard, okay, so it's not just about having the camera, you need to have this, you need to have accessories basically. So let me put it that way. So you need to have accessories that will make true, right? You can confirm that will make the experience wholesome. So after weighing
Yeah.
everything, I saw that I was going to spend more than I had budgeted. And it's not like I did not have the money, like I've shared my stories a couple of times, but I just wasn't ready for that. And I was going to have to spend time to learn how to use a camera. And at that time that I went to the market, I just wanted to start my YouTube channel. I had postponed for a while, for like some months, for like some weeks. So at that point, when I went to the market, I wanted to get something that would enable me start my channel right there, like not at the market anyway, but right there and then. So I weighed this thing, weighed the cost implication, financial implications, and I weighed my having to learn as well, having to spend time to learn how to use the camera. So I decided to go for it. And I met someone there. There's also a YouTuber, also a videographer. So he was able to explain to me, tell me this, tell me that. So by the time I weighed my options, I saw that of course, I could do my YouTube. I could start my YouTube with a camera, with a phone camera, with my phone. And so I invested money in buying what I use now, which is this phone. And that's what I've been using since September 19, 2020, since I started my YouTube channel.